Hello, Mzansi, it's your boy again, Marvel, aka The Comeback. Mzansi, you know by now, when you see my face, Ziakala, it's about to go down. We are going to be exposing shenanigans and corruption. Now, I'm a pillow wethu la Mzansi. Kuluthiwe la. So this used to be a government facility, but they sold it to a private company. Bafethu, there used to be workers lana, abantu abasaspan. Baluthe yonke into la Mzansi. Lana, they used to deal the abalone fish, Mzansi. The most expensive fish emhlabeni. Intwana zethu ngaba ziyasipana la today. So I'm going to give you guys a tour, and I've got a brother uspana lana is going to give us more detailed information. The problem with us like South Africa, we are using our stomachs to think, not our brains. Mele siqale Mzansi, refurbish our infrastructure and our facilities wethu so we can create employment. Unity like South Africa, ayibuye Mzansi. Ayibuye, unity ayibuye. So I think in Nigeni tour, I've got a brother la ozongitshela more about this place. Danko. So la Department of Agriculture and Fisheries. Ningene ku Google, but I'm gonna also put up a picture lana ye abalone fish so I can tell you more about leyo ndawo le. Unpege nje. Ifana nena le ndawo le South African SAA bathengise kwasani labantu laba. Eskom iku process nayo to go 100% private. Hi South Africa bafethu, we've got the resources bafethu. Don't be fooled, eh? If we're still focusing over operation to do la nabantu abathengisa amatamati, rather focus on the means of production, economic freedom, manufacturing, and our land, which was stolen by the minority. Ask yourself, bafethu, why abantu abafana nobo Donald Trump, they are so obsessed about our country. We've got South Africa, now we've got the potential to employ South Africans and also Africans. We've got resources, we've got Department Agriculture and Fisheries, perfect. South African resources. We are probably in South Africa. We've got so much potential to Africa. Pegamanje, we are fighting amongst ourselves, but now more opportunities. We can create jobs now, but we are fighting amongst ourselves like Africa. Instead of unity, it's focus on means of production, economic freedom, manufacturing, and the land.
We must hit the dog until the owner comes out. And once the owner comes out, we must deal decisively with the owner.
I don't care whether they like me or not. I'm not in the business of being liked. I'm in a business of telling the truth. If they want to hate me for telling the truth, so be it. I don't care. I've no relationship with incompetent people. Whether you are a judge or not, if you are incompetent, you are incompetent.
So Buffett, this is another department of the building. I'm a cold room, Buffett. You know how much it is, a cold room. So I think in bonus. See you in the
The country is collapsing. I cannot keep on saying we are fighting white monopoly capital, because after defeating white monopoly capital, there will not be a country to inherit. You will have collapsed this country. So this is an emergency. We had to pause and rescue this country first and continue to fight against white supremacy and against white monopoly capital. So that when we defeat white monopoly capital, we will find a country called South Africa. Under the ANC, South Africa is dying a slowly yet surely death. For me to love you, doesn't mean I must hate Zimbabweans. My love for Zimbabweans is not hatred for South Africans. My love for Zimbabweans is the love that you taught me, that we love one another as Africans. We don't discriminate against each other as Africans. Hai lor le nyaka umvote ka hore ke bue maka ha hore na ke rate batho ba.
I think you plan ndawo le. Yeah, so Mzansi, I am concluding my tour. I hope ukuthi bafethu we are learning from each other as the days, weeks and months unfold. Nami, I try my best bafethu to share as much information as I can. And Mzansi, I want you to understand one thing. Just because I'm brave, it doesn't mean ukuthi I'm bulletproof. But I can tell you one thing, bafethu. I've been to the mountaintop, just like Martin Luther King said. And I've looked over that mountain, and my eyes have seen the promised land and the coming of the Lord. I may not get there with you, Mzansi, but we as the people in Mzansi will get to the promised land. So, danko.